Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Priya. Workplace English Conversation Practice Video. In this video, you will learn practical English used in a professional office environment. Follow the daily conversation of four colleagues as they communicate, collaborate, and solve workplace challenges. Sarah, team leader. Sarah leads the team, manages projects, and helps everyone stay on track. John, marketing executive. John develops marketing campaigns, analyzes results, and promotes the company's products and services. Emma, designer. Emma creates visual content designs, marketing materials, and brings creative ideas to life. David, sales manager. David works closely with customers, manages sales activities, and shares valuable market insights with the team. Whether you are a student, job seeker, or working professional, this video helps you improve your English speaking and listening skills for real workplace situations. Let's begin our day at the office with Sarah, John, Emma, and David. Scene 1. Morning at the office. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Good morning, Sarah. I'm doing well. Thank you. How about you? I'm great. Thanks for asking. Emma, how was your weekend? It was wonderful. I spent time with my family and also worked on a professional design project. That sounds productive. I mostly relaxed and watched a few movies. Nice. Before we started our day, let's review our priorities of the week. Sure, I completed the social media campaign report yesterday. Excellent work. Did you find any interesting insights? Yes, our engagement increased by 15% compared to the last month. Video content performed particularly well. That's great news. Maybe we should create more short videos for our audience. Good suggestions. Let's discuss that in today's meeting. Scene 2, Team Meeting. Thank you for all joining. Our main goals today is to plan next month marketing campaign. From a sales perspective, customers are asking more questions about our new product features. That's useful information. We can highlight those features in our campaign. I can create graphics and promotional materials focused on those benefits. Perfect, David. Could you share customer feedback from the last quarter? Certainly, customers appreciate the product quality, but they would like faster support response. That's valuable feedback. We should coordinate with the support team to address that issue. Agreed, better customer service can improve overall satisfaction. It can also strengthen our brand reputation. Exactly. Let's make that one of our priorities. Scene 2, Project Discussion. Emma, when do you think the new design material will be ready? I can finish the first draft by the Wednesday afternoon. Great, that gives me enough time to prepare that campaign schedule. Once the draft is ready, I would appreciate your feedback. Of course, I will review it carefully and provide comments. Collaboration like this helps us achieve better results. I agree. When departments work together, projects move faster. That's true. Communication is one of the most important workplace skills. Absolutely clear. Communication prevents misunderstanding and save time. It also helps team members feel more confident about their responsibilities and it improves productivity across the organization. Well said, everyone. Scene 4 Lunch Break Conversation. Does anyone have plans for lunch? I am thinking of trying the new restaurants near the office. I have been there before, the food was excellent. I would love to join you all. Great, it will be a nice opportunity to relax and chat. Sometimes informal conversation help build stronger workplace relationships. That's true. Team bonding is important. A positive work environment makes a big difference. I completely agree. That's all for today's lesson. Great job learning with me today. Practice the sentences every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn with Priya. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.